And before I end, if I ask you this question, who is the founder for Wahhabism? Ibn Taymiyyah. Who is the founder for Deobandism? Qasim Nanoti. Who is the founder for Jamaat-e-Islami? Abul Ala Maududi. Who is the founder for Qadiani? Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani. They have founders. That means they show us that they are the innovators. They are the bid'atis. Our founder is only and only Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We do not have founder called any Najdis. Yes, indeed, we have our guides. Imam al-Azam, Imam Malik, Imam Shafi'i, Imam Ahmad, Sayyiduna Ghawthul Azam, Sayyiduna Khaja Gharib Nawaz. They are our guides. They are not our founders. Founder is Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And why they are guides? Because Allah has made them the guide. Siratal ladina an'amta alayhim minan nabiyyin was-siddiqin was-shuhada was-salihin. Every day, minimum 20 times we say, Ya Allah, guide us on the path of the pious people. So we ask from Allah to remain on the path of the pious people. After salah, we do follow that.